Mommy, look! The world is white. Look at all this snow! So much snow!
Anna, is it really snow? Let me see.
We can build a snowman today. Mommy, Daddy, wake up! Snow is here!
Wow, look at our backyard. It is beautiful.
Come on, everyone. Let's go outside.
The snow is so cold and soft.
Ha! Got you, Daddy.
Roll the snowball like this. Push and turn.
It is getting bigger. Help push.
Perfect. This is the body. Now more.
Careful. Put it right here on top.
Now he needs a face. Where are his eyes?
A carrot makes a perfect nose. Look.
Now he looks like a friend. Hello, Snowman. Look, I made a snow angel.
I got you. You are it. Your turn, Sophia. Go fast.
We need more snow here.
This is the best day ever.
Look, a beautiful snowman. Hello, family. Welcome to snow school today. We will have fun.
My snowman is going to be the tallest.
Look at my snowman. He has a green scarf. Hot chocolate is ready. Come inside and warm up.
The cocoa is warm and sweet.
Thank you for a fun day, Mommy and Daddy. This is my favorite picture of us. See you tomorrow at school. Sleep well.
The snow is still falling. It is so pretty.
Maybe more snow tomorrow. I hope so.